Thanks for listening. This is Brian Hurley from Business Performance Improvement. The podcast Lean Six Sigma Bursts are short lessons, comments, Q&A, and insights. If you have a question, send your question through the Anchor app, and we might feature you on a future episode. Or contact me at biz-pi.com.
For this podcast, I'd like to announce a webinar series that I've been asked to participate in. It's a Lean and Sustainability series, and it's a partnership with the Iowa Sustainable Business Forum, ISBF, and the Iowa Lean Consortium, ILC. And they're putting together a free webinar series about the applications of lean and sustainability for your organization, which, as you know, is an important and exciting topic for me. So the first webinar series, Lean Methods for Sustainable Organizations, is what I will be conducting. We're going to introduce those in sustainability roles to lean methods, which have become some of the most popular improvement methods used in high-performing organizations, such as those in manufacturing, healthcare, government, and many other industries. The second webinar will be Sustainability for Lean Organizations. Adam Hammes from SGS North America will help you demonstrate to process improvement specialists, engineers, and management the business case for applying risk and quality management strategies like Lean to sustainability performance. So regardless of your current role and level of Lean experience, you won't want to miss the case studies presented throughout. The dates on these are going to be November 28th from 1 to 2 p.m. Central Time in the US, and that's the webinar I'll be doing. The second webinar will be the Sustainability for Lean Organizations on November 30th from 1 to 2 p.m. Central Time. And you can sign up for both of them if you click the other link. So let me read the details on the first webinar that I'll be doing. Lean is a continuous improvement method that applies to many organizations, not just manufacturers. Join Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt Brian Hurley to explore the basic pillars and principles of Lean, along with case studies of how organizations like the St. Bernard Project, City of Denver, Free Geek, and Providence of Saskatchewan have applied Lean to reduce environmental and social issues. Through this webinar, you will learn the origins of Lean methods along with the basic principles. You'll learn about the 8 types of waste and how they impact the environment negatively, how Lean has been applied to other organizations looking to improve their environmental or social impact, and resources and websites to enhance your Lean knowledge. So it'd be cool if you were interested in that topic to join and hear how it's applied in different aspects, even if you have a lot of Lean experience. The second webinar is with Adam, who is the ESG director at SGS North America. He has tons of sustainability experience in Iowa, and he also has written some books, so you can check those out. I'll have a link in the show notes here. Recently, investors began receiving scores on the sustainability performance of publicly listed companies from ESG, Environmental, Social, and Governance, rating agencies like DJSI, MSCI, ISS, and Sustainalytics. Now, even small and medium-sized private businesses are being scored on sustainability performance due to governments and big customers asking their suppliers to report in platforms like CDP and EcoVadis. And side note, I have done some work with a manufacturer that had a customer that asked them to do some work with EcoVadis, and walked them through how we can apply process improvement to that approach, and also use some of my sustainability background to help guide them and help them identify opportunities and where to spend their effort based on the scores and the rating they were getting. Most of these scores are public. Risk is everywhere. Investment risk based on shareholder satisfaction, capital risk based on lender satisfaction, contractual risk based on business partner satisfaction, and revenue risk based on consumer satisfaction. The majority of ESG rating agencies also score companies against their peers. So doing nothing is a strategy for steady decline. Continuous improvement in sustainability performance is necessary simply to maintain market position. A proactive approach is necessary to improve and stand out amongst competitors. It has never been more important to understand operational and financial risks related to ESG and sustainability, and how risk and quality managers and management strategies such as Lean need to be integrated into every stage of the sustainability journey for organizations. So through this webinar, you will learn how to gain a clear understanding of ESG and sustainability definitions, gain a clear understanding of ESG and sustainability ratings and performance, Learn where and how risk and quality management strategies such as Lean integrate into ESG and sustainability performance. Review real-world examples related to managing risk and quality within 2 key ESG and sustainability topics. And see how risk and quality managers can be the foundation of ESG and sustainability. So again, I'll have a link to these webinars with the information plus the links to sign up. These are free, no obligation. I don't know if they're going to be recorded or not, but definitely register. If the recordings aren't made available to those that missed it, I'm going to try to get the recordings and maybe post those later. So definitely sign up so at least you can get notified of that. I'd also encourage you to share this with anyone you think might be interested. So if you're in an organization right now that is really focused on sustainability, this could be a way for them to get introduced to some lean methods and principles. If your organization already is doing process improvement, but maybe sustainability isn't so strong, then the second webinar would be a good one for people to go to. So think about those in your organization and share it and see if anyone might be interested in attending. Love to see you there.
Let me pause for a moment to tell you about our sponsor, Creative Safety Supply. Creative Safety Supply is a great resource for free guides, infographics, and continuous improvement tools. I recommend starting with their 5S guide. It includes breakdowns of the 5 pillars, ways to begin implementing 5S, and even organization tips and color charts. From red tags to floor markings, it's all there. Download it for free at creativesafetysupply.com/5S. LeanSixSigmaDefinition.com has a list of glossary items about popular process improvement terms, along with the history of Lean and Six Sigma methods, and key influencers like Dr. Edward Deming, Henry Ford, Taiichi Ono, Shigeo Shingo, and many more. You can also learn how to access affordable Lean and Six Sigma training and certification. Visit LeanSixSigmaDefinition.com.